Alrighty guys, it's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4 here again. What have we got today? A brand new Mazda BT50 right off the lot into our showroom. From one showroom to another, as they say. Anyway, what do we got today? We're gonna get a fiberglass canopy fitted on this bad boy, taking advantage of that Black Friday sale that's still ongoing. And we're gonna get a couple of side steps on the side as well. Other than that, we're gonna get right into it. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoy the assembly and fit process of the canopy and the side steps. We'll go through the canopy very quickly. You can see inside just how much space is added over there. Interior vinyl, front sliding window, interior light, central locking on the rear door that will be wired to the rest of the vehicle so you can use the car key fob to lock and unlock. The side steps themselves, well, that's all self-explanatory. Lovely, lovely prices, excellent fitting. Oz Canopies that's what Oz Canopies means. If it means anything, it means great prices, delivered quickly and done properly. So if you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Like, subscribe, notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.